Ever heard of Neon? It's a pretty cool app that lets you create stunning neon signs with your phone. But how do you actually get it? Let's dive in. Imagine you're hosting a party and you want to create a custom neon sign that says "Happy Birthday" or maybe your favorite quote. Wouldn't that be awesome? Well, Neon can make that a reality. Before we get into the download process, let's talk a bit about what Neon can do. It's got a ton of customizable options, from different neon colors and fonts to various backgrounds and effects. You can even export your designs as images or videos to share with your friends. Downloading the app. Now, let's get to the good stuff: downloading the Neon app. Here's a step-by-step guide. App Store or Google Play. The first thing you'll need to do is open your device's App Store. On iOS devices, that's the App Store, and on Android devices, it's the Google Play Store. Search for Neon. Once you're in the App Store, search for Neon or Neon Sign Maker. You should see the app appear in the search results. Download and install. Tap on the app's icon and then hit the Get or Install button. You might need to enter your password or fingerprint to confirm the download. Wait for installation. The app will start downloading and installing. This should only take a few minutes, depending on your internet connection. Open the app. Once the installation is complete, you can tap on the Open button to launch the Neon app. Additional tips. Asterisk: if you're having trouble finding the app, try searching for the developer's name. Sometimes, apps are listed under the developer's name rather than the app's name. Asterisk: make sure your device's operating system is compatible with the Neon app. Check the app's description in the App Store for compatibility information. Asterisk: if you encounter any issues during the download or installation process, try restarting your device or checking your internet connection. And there you have it. That's how you download the Neon app and start creating your own stunning neon signs. With a little creativity and practice, you can make some truly impressive designs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.